Hey there, food lovers. Let's talk street food. It's everywhere these days, right? From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Mexico City, street food is a global phenomenon. It's no longer just a quick bite on the go. Street food has become an experience, a culinary adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves you wanting more. What's not to love? It's affordable, accessible, and bursting with flavor. Street food vendors are like culinary artists, whipping up delicious dishes with fresh ingredients and time-tested techniques. They're the heart and soul of a city's food scene, offering a glimpse into the local culture and traditions. But what's even more exciting is the innovation happening in the street food world. Chefs and vendors are constantly pushing boundaries, experimenting with new flavors and ingredients. They're taking classic dishes and giving them a modern twist, creating fusion foods that are both familiar and exciting. One such fusion taking the Italian street food scene by storm is eggplant parmigiana and grilled cheese. Eggplant parmigiana in a grilled cheese? It's a match made in culinary heaven. Crispy eggplant, rich tomato sauce, and gooey mozzarella. Grilled cheese is the epitome of comfort food. When these dishes collide, you get a flavor explosion. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors. This fusion is a prime example of how street food is evolving. It's about taking familiar flavors and presenting them in new and exciting ways. It's about honoring tradition while embracing innovation, creating dishes that are both comforting and surprising. In the next sections, we'll delve deeper into the origins and flavors of both eggplant parmigiana and grilled cheese. Then we'll explore how their fusion creates a culinary masterpiece that's captivating taste buds across Italy. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of Italian street food fusion. Let's start our culinary journey with the star of the show, eggplant parmigiana. This dish, my friends, is more than just a meal. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of Italian culinary heritage passed down through generations. Its origins can be traced back centuries, to the sun-drenched hills of southern Italy, where eggplants thrive in the warm Mediterranean climate. Some food historians believe that eggplant parmigiana has roots in Arab cuisine, brought to Sicily during the Islamic conquest of the island. Others argue that it originated in Naples, the birthplace of pizza and countless other culinary delights. Regardless of its precise origins, one thing is certain: eggplant parmigiana has captured the hearts and stomachs of Italians for centuries. From humble beginnings to an Italian icon, eggplant parmigiana has quite the story. In its early days, it was a simple peasant dish, a way to transform basic ingredients into a satisfying and flavorful meal. Eggplants were sliced, salted, and fried until golden brown, then layered with fresh tomato sauce, basil, and grated cheese. The dish was baked in a wood-fired oven until bubbly and fragrant, filling the air with an irresistible aroma. Over time, eggplant parmigiana evolved from a humble peasant dish into a beloved classic, gracing the tables of families and restaurants throughout Italy. Each region developed its own variations, using different types of cheese, herbs, and spices. But the essence of the dish remained the same: crispy eggplant, rich tomato sauce, and melted cheese, a combination that's guaranteed to please any palate. Making a perfect eggplant parmigiana is an art form, a labor of love that requires patience, skill, and a deep appreciation for Italian culinary traditions. It all starts with selecting the freshest ingredients, from plump, shiny eggplants to ripe, juicy tomatoes. The eggplants are sliced, salted, and pressed to remove excess moisture, ensuring a crispy texture when fried. The tomato sauce, the heart and soul of the dish, is made with love, simmered for hours with garlic, onions, and fresh herbs until it reaches a rich, concentrated flavor. The mozzarella cheese, preferably buffalo mozzarella for its creamy texture and delicate flavor, is grated by hand and sprinkled generously over the eggplant layers. When baked to perfection, eggplant parmigiana emerges from the oven golden brown and bubbling, its aroma filling the kitchen with anticipation. Each bite is a symphony of flavors and textures: the crispy eggplant, the sweet and tangy tomato sauce, the creamy mozzarella cheese, and the fragrant herbs, all harmonizing in perfect balance. It's a dish that evokes memories of family gatherings, of laughter and conversation shared over a steaming plate of comfort food. It's a taste of Italy, a culinary masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Now, imagine that symphony of flavors and textures nestled between two slices of golden brown bread, and you begin to understand the magic of this fusion dish. But we'll dive into that deliciousness in the next act. Now let's shift gears, folks, and talk about another culinary superstar, the grilled cheese sandwich. This humble dish, a staple in kitchens across the globe, is the epitome of comfort food. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it has this uncanny ability to transport us back to childhood with every single bite. What makes a grilled cheese so special? It's the perfect marriage of just a few key ingredients: bread, butter, and cheese. But don't let its simplicity fool you, my friends. The grilled cheese is a blank canvas, just waiting for your culinary creativity to shine. It's a dish that can be as basic or as elaborate as you like, a testament to the versatility of flavor. While the classic grilled cheese, with its melted American cheese nestled between two slices of white bread, holds a special place in our hearts, the possibilities for variations are endless. Feeling adventurous? Try swapping out the American cheese for sharp cheddar creamy brie or even tangy goat cheese. Each cheese brings its own unique flavor profile to the party, elevating the humble grilled cheese to new heights. And don't even get me started on the bread, folks. From sourdough to rye to multigrain, the type of bread you choose can dramatically impact the flavor and texture of your grilled cheese. For a touch of sweetness, try challah or brioche. For a heartier bite, go for a rustic sourdough. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. But what truly sets the grilled cheese apart is its simplicity and versatility. It's a dish that can be whipped up in minutes, using ingredients you probably already have on hand. Short on time? No problem. Grilled cheese to the rescue. Need a quick and easy lunch for the kids? Grilled cheese is always a winner. Craving a late-night snack that's both satisfying and comforting? You guessed it, grilled cheese saves the day. And the best part? Grilled cheese is a dish that can be enjoyed by people of all ages, from toddlers to grandparents. It's a true culinary chameleon, adapting to any occasion and pleasing every palate. Whether you prefer yours classic and simple or loaded with gourmet ingredients, there's a grilled cheese out there for everyone. The beauty of the grilled cheese is that it's not confined by borders. This globally beloved dish has captured the hearts and stomachs of people all over the world. In France, you'll find the croque monsieur, a decadent grilled cheese variation featuring ham and bechamel sauce. In Mexico, the quesadilla, a warm tortilla filled with melted cheese and savory fillings, reigns supreme. And of course, we can't forget about the Italian version, the mozzarella in carrozza, which takes the grilled cheese to a whole new level of indulgence. These international variations are a testament to the enduring appeal of the grilled cheese, a dish that transcends cultures and brings people together through the universal language of comfort food. All right, food fans, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. We've explored the rich history and deliciousness of eggplant parmigiana. We've toasted to the simple perfection of the grilled cheese. Now picture this, those two worlds colliding in a flavor explosion that'll rock your taste buds. That's right, we're talking about the magnificent fusion of eggplant parmigiana and grilled cheese. At first glance, these two dishes might seem like an unlikely pair. One's a layered Italian classic, the other an American comfort food staple. But trust me, folks, opposites attract. This fusion takes the best of both worlds, creating a culinary masterpiece that's both familiar and exciting. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crispy, buttery grilled cheese, only to be met with the warm, savory embrace of eggplant parmigiana. It's a flavor combination that'll have you saying, "Mamma mia!" One of the things that makes this fusion dish so incredibly satisfying is the symphony of textures in every bite. You've got the crispy, golden brown bread toasted to perfection on the griddle. Then, there's the tender, melt-in-your-mouth eggplant, coated in a light, crispy batter. And let's not forget about the star of the show, that gooey, melted mozzarella cheese stretching out with every pull. But it's not just about the individual textures, it's about how they play off each other. The crunch of the bread contrasts beautifully with the creamy eggplant and melted cheese. The slight chewiness of the bread provides the perfect counterpoint to the soft, yielding texture of the filling. It's a textural experience that'll have you wanting to savor every single bite. Section 3. Balancing flavors, the art of Italian-American fusion. Of course, no culinary fusion is complete without a harmonious blend of flavors, and this dish doesn't disappoint. The tangy, slightly sweet tomato sauce, simmered with herbs and spices, adds a burst of Italian sunshine to every mouthful. The creamy mozzarella cheese provides a rich, savory base, while the lightly fried eggplant offers a delicate, earthy note. The key to achieving flavor nirvana in this fusion is all about balance. You don't want the tomato sauce to overpower the other flavors, nor do you want the cheese to be too overwhelming. It's about creating a symphony of flavors where each ingredient gets its moment to shine while still working together in perfect harmony. Section 4. A love story, how one vendor married these classics. Like any good love story, this culinary fusion was born from passion and serendipity. A street vendor in Rome, a master of eggplant parmigiana and grilled cheese, had a moment of inspiration. While grilling a cheese sandwich, he noticed a pan of eggplant parmigiana cooling. A light bulb went off in his head. He layered eggplant parmigiana onto a grilled cheese, adding fresh basil. He took a bite, and the rest is history. Section 1. A street food sensation is born. That first eggplant parmigiana grilled cheese, crafted with equal parts culinary skill and a dash of divine inspiration, was an instant hit. The lucky customer who ordered it, initially skeptical of the unconventional combination, took one bite and was blown away. Word of mouth, that most powerful of marketing tools, spread like wildfire through the bustling streets of Rome. Soon, people were lining up at the vendor's stall, eager to get their hands on this culinary marvel. The aroma alone, a tantalizing blend of melted cheese, tangy tomato sauce, and crispy bread, was enough to draw in passers-by from blocks away. It was more than just a sandwich. It was an experience, a symphony of flavors and textures that had people coming back for more. The vendor, once a humble purveyor of classic Italian street food, became a local legend, his name synonymous with this innovative creation. Italians, with their deep-rooted culinary traditions, can be a tough crowd to please. They approach new dishes with a healthy dose of skepticism, especially when it comes to reinterpreting beloved classics. But the eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese, with its perfect balance of familiar flavors and innovative presentation, won them over. The initial skepticism quickly gave way to curiosity, then to delight, and finally to outright addiction. People couldn't get enough of this culinary mashup, this unexpected marriage of Italian and American comfort food. It became a lunchtime staple for office workers, a quick and satisfying bite for students, and a late-night indulgence for those seeking a flavor-packed treat. The eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese had officially arrived. In the world of street food, there's no greater testament to a dish's popularity than the length of the line it attracts. And let me tell you folks, the lines for this eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese were legendary. People would patiently wait for half an hour, sometimes even longer, just for a taste of this culinary sensation. They'd chat amongst themselves, their anticipation building with every sizzle from the griddle, every aroma that wafted through the air. It was a communal experience, a shared love of good food that transcended language barriers and cultural differences. Tourists from all corners of the globe would join the queue, their cameras at the ready, eager to document this culinary pilgrimage. The eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese had become a must-try dish in Rome, a symbol of the city's vibrant and ever-evolving street food scene. But this fusion dish is more than just a culinary trend. It represents the very essence of Italian street food. It's about taking simple, fresh ingredients and transforming them into something extraordinary, something that tantalizes the taste buds and brings a smile to your face. It's about honoring tradition while embracing innovation, pushing the boundaries of flavor and presentation. Most importantly, it's about sharing a love of good food with the world, one delicious bite at a time. The eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese is a testament to the creativity and passion of Italian street food vendors, who continue to amaze and delight us with their culinary creations. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the streets of Italy, keep an eye out for this fusion masterpiece. You won't regret it. There you have it, folks. The story of how two culinary icons, eggplant Parmigiana and grilled cheese, found each other in the heart of Italy and created a flavor explosion that's taking the world by storm. This fusion, born from the creativity and passion of Italian street food vendors, is a testament to the power of culinary innovation. It's proof that sometimes the most unexpected combinations can lead to the most delicious results. This dish isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about that first crispy bite, the explosion of flavors that dance on your tongue, and the feeling of pure satisfaction that washes over you with every mouthful. It's about sharing a love of good food with friends and family, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? I urge you to seek out this culinary masterpiece, to experience the magic of eggplant Parmigiana grilled cheese firsthand. Whether you're strolling through the streets of Rome or recreating the magic in your own kitchen, get ready for a flavor adventure that will leave you craving more. Remember, folks, food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a way to connect with different cultures, and a source of endless joy and discovery. So go out there, explore the world of food with an open mind and an empty stomach, and you never know what culinary delights you might uncover. Stay hungry, my friends. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.